Medyo ayoko lang dito is hindi siya naka-box. Medyo nagsugat siya na sobrang nag-dry. And guys, what I love about this Micellar Deep Cleansing Water is sobrang mild lang niya. Hindi siya matapang. Nagkaroon lang ako ng konting pimples. Take a sip, you gon' trip. Kung ramdam mo na hydrated yung skin mo, and also hindi siya yung dry, talagang tamang-tama lang siya. Kung magkakameron man ulit akong pimples, nawawala din naman siya agad. And also guys, alam ko na pricey siya, so yun lang yung parang problem ko dito. Hi guys! It's me, Princess Ika Blackbird. So for today's video, I will be trying the new set of Brilliant Skin Essentials. And here it is. This is the CEO Squad Glow Kit. For 30 days, just to see if this set is good or does it actually works on my skin. And also guys, I've already did a video like this one kasi parang ito yung mga dating products ng Brilliant Skin Essentials din. Nagawa na rin akong video na gano'n na itong foaming facial cleanser lang tinatry ko at saka ito, saka ito. And also, trinay ko na rin tong trio set. Ito guys, yun yung trio set. So if you want to check it out, I'll just try to leave it in the description down below. So before I start, I would like to explain what is CEO Squad Glow Kit. How much is this product? Well, I bought this for 750 pesos. In this set, you will have 4 products and those are Foamy Facial Cleanser, Micellar Deep Cleansing Water, Instant Lift Facial Serum, and Sunscreen Gel Cream SPF 30. The first product that you will use is their Foamy Facial Cleanser. You will use this in morning and night. Also, when you're using this brush, pa-circular motion yung gawin nyo. And just please try to be gentle on your skin. After using the Foamy Facial Cleanser, the next product that you will use is their Micellar Deep Cleansing Water. You will also use this in the morning and night. Make sure na pa-upwards yung pag-swipe nyo para iwas guys sa wrinkles. And the third step is using their Instant Lift Facial Serum. Just apply a small amount of serum. Apply this on your face and neck. For best result, you can use this twice a day. So, gagamitin ko to guys is morning and night. The last step is using their Sunscreen Gel Cream SPF 30. So, gagamitin nyo to guys is in the morning and wag nyo itong gamitin sa gabi. Sa morning lang guys. Pang-protect lang to sa sun. So if you will use this product, patagalin nyo muna ito sa skin nyo for 30 minutes before going outside. And always reapply every 2 hours so that your skin is protected from the sun. So guys, I really hope na na-explain ko sa inyo kung paano gamitin tong product na to. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Hi guys! So this is my first day trying the CEO Squad Glow Kit of Brilliant Skin Essentials. So this is their newest product and I'm very excited to try this. So guys, bubuksan ko na siya. Ang medyo ayoko lang dito is hindi siya naka-box. Mas preferred ko is naka-box siya. Kaysa sa board lang siya guys. Kasi mas maganda yung may box para may lalagyanan. So ganito siya guys. Ganito siya tingnan. Medyo mag-struggle ka lang talaga habang binubuksan mo to. Just like me right now. So, ito. Gusto ko lang ipagkumpara yung unang-una nilang foaming facial cleanser sa bago. So, ganito guys yung size. Para lang may idea kayo kung gano'n siya kalaki. So, ito guys is nasa isang set na. Tapos ito mabibili mo siya ng ito lang. Pero guys, matagal naman to sa akin. Umabot to sa akin ng mga 1 buwan at kalahati. Kaya sulit na sulit naman talaga guys. So, kapag ikukumpara mo siya sa dati, ganito sila guys. Almost the same lang. Ang pinagbago lang nila is yung kanilang look. So, ito is mas dark pink and ito is mas light. Guys, almost the same din yung sa Instant Lift Serum nila. Ang bago lang is yung kanilang colors. The first product that I will be using is this one. Medyo nakakapanibago lang kasi masasanay ako doon sa malaki. And guys, sorry kung may pintura ako dito. Nagpaint ako kagabi ng commission. And guys, wag lang yung sobrang harsh nung pag-brush ninyo dahil baka mamalat yung dito nyo or maghapde or magsugat man. Kasi, nung ginamit ko to, dito sobrang sumakit, tapos dito medyo nagsugat siya na sobrang nag-dry. Ganun guys. And hindi pa sobrang harsh nung pag-brush ko kasi alam ko na ganun yung mangyayari. And guys, kung dito, isang push lang, meron na kaagad as madami na siya. Isa lang yung pinupush ko, tapos inaano ko na sa lahat. Dito, siguro mga 3 or 2. Pero guys, ang kinaganda nito is ramdam na ramdam mo na talagang kuhang-kuha lahat yung dirt sa face mo. And guys, after that, the next step that I will use is their Micellar Deep Cleansing Water. Every morning and night mo to guys gagamitin. It is very important to use toner para lang makuha lahat yung dirt na nasa face mo na hindi nakuha nung nag-cleanse ka. And guys, what I love about this Micellar Deep Cleansing Water is sobrang mild lang niya, hindi siya matapang. And guys, kapag gagamit kayo ng toner, laging pa upwards para lang iwas guys sa wrinkles. And guys, the next step is the Instant Lift Serum. So here it is, and I will be using it right now. And guys, nagamitin mo to 2 beses sa isang araw para lang mas maging effective. And I'm just gonna put it here. And guys, the last step is the sunscreen. So gagamitin mo lang to is sa umaga. Feeling ko ang mauubos agad is yung sunscreen sa akin. Kasi sobrang liit niya. Meron naman kayo guys mabibilhan ng malaki ng sa sunscreen. Just like this one guys. Hindi masyadong pinapahalaga nung nakakarami dito sa atin sa Philippines yung sunscreen. But sunscreen really helped my skin a lot. Like ito talaga yung nagpabuhay sa skin ko. So guys, that is it. So ang gagawin ko naman ngayon is, ando na, mag-drawing lang ako. Hi guys! It's been 1 week since I've tried the CEO Squad set. And nagkaroon lang ako ng konting pimples ngayon. But it's totally fine para mga 2-3 lang. Dito and also dito. But I love this set kasi naramdaman kong hydrated siya. Dun pa lang sa Instant Lift Serum. Sobrang ganda na niya. And nakikita nyo naman na parang glow na glow yung skin ko ngayon. So I am here with my baby. And magdodrawing lang ako because I need to finish the commission para makapag-move on na ako dun sa iba pang mga commission kasi ang dami. Gusto ko na rin matapos. Let's go!
I know you go like you know me. Let's run away together, go and live by the sea. Yeah, I know a place and it's pretty far away where we could leave tomorrow and be there by Saturday. Well, it is pretty simple, but that is all we need. We would have each other and live off their coconut seed. I know you love the ocean and you love the sun. We could take our clothes off and have some fun, and we'll grow old like 2 leather bags, leave footprints on the beach as we walk through the sand. We'll grow old like 2 leather bags, let the sun kiss our skin as we run hand in hand. Shoes and dresses, who needs them when you have your bikini and the clear ocean? And when the sun ain't watching and the moon's out too, we could have some fun in the lagoon, just me and you. Well, we could live happy for the rest of our days. Maybe one day have some kids and teach them our silly ways. Well, they would dance in the moonlight as I play on my guitar, and you can teach them to wish when they see a shooting star, and we'll grow old like...
Hi guys! So this is finally the end of this video, and I just wanted to say that I really love this new set of Brilliant Skin Essentials. The reason why I love it so much, it is because talagang ramdam mo na hydrated yung skin mo. Nagkaka-pimples ako ng konti while I was using this, but hindi man yung totaling pimples talaga, yung breakouts. Nagkaka-pimples lang ako is 1 or 2. So dito lang guys, yan. ito lang, ito yung pimples ko ngayon. Pero natuyo na rin siya agad, kaya mabilis siya mawala. And kung magkakameron man ulit akong pimples, nawawala din naman siya agad. And also guys, alam ko na pricey siya. So yun lang yung parang problem ko dito. Kung student ka and wala ka pa masyadong pera, I don't really recommend this kasi may ibang mga set ang Brilliant Skin Essentials na pang teenagers. We have sets na tig 300 lang and maganda na yung effect niya. Pero ito guys, kung mayaman naman kayo or may trabaho, I also recommend this one. Kasi sa serum pa lang guys, sobrang ganda na. Lalo na yung foaming facial cleanser. Talagang ramdam na ramdam mo na kuwang-kuha yung dirt. So yeah, that is it for this video. If you still have any questions, please comment down below and I'll try to answer it all. So, I really hope that you like this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. And also, please subscribe to my channel. And also, please hit that notification bell so you won't miss a video that I'm posting every week. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye!